Hello. I hate starting these videos. It's so awkward. I don't know what to say. Good morning. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Pennant Garland. It's basically just triangles. It's very cute. It's super easy. I did not invent triangles. There are probably a million tutorials for these out there. I'm just trying to get back into the swing of posting consistently, so I thought that this would be a really easy pattern to make quickly, and it'll feel like a quick win under my belt, so, you know. There's a written pattern for these. It's like $1 on my website and on my Etsy. There's really not that much more to say about it. It's a really cute decoration. You can make them for any time of year. I have like this cute little Halloween one that I have on my shop shelf, as I call it. But I of course keep it up all year. Yeah, I don't know, go crazy, go wild. Do what you want. You can be real creative with this one because it is so basic and so easy. Yeah.
Is there anything else I'm supposed to say right now?
I don't know, let's get started. To start our triangles, we're going to begin with a chain of 13. If you would like smaller or larger triangles, chain fewer or more, just make sure that you have an odd number of chains. For our first row, we are going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook, and the rest of the way across we will have a total of 12 stitches. After we chain 1 and turn, we're going to single crochet 2 together, then single crochet 8, then single crochet 2 together at the end. We're going to repeat this pattern of single crochet rows and single crochet 2 together rows until the end. The rest of the instructions will be written out on the screen. To start, we're going to make a slip knot with about 1 inch in diameter and tie a tail around the base to secure it. Then we will chain 15. We attach our triangles by slip stitching across the top with that same yarn. We'll chain 5 in between each triangle, and then when we reach the end, we will chain 15 and make another 1 inch diameter loop, again tying the tail around the base to secure it, and that'll just give you something to hang this string by. Now all there is to do is tie in your ends, and once you're done with that, your garland should look a bit like this. It should be ready to hang up. You can hang this from shelves, you can hang it on the wall, it looks really cute anywhere. I can't wait to see what kind of colors you use. I'm using mine to decorate my Furby shelf, as you can see here. How was that? Isn't it so cute? It's super easy. You know, I can make a string of these in like an hour. They're great for using up extra yarn. Like I always use yarn scraps for these. If you want the written pattern that is again on my Etsy and on my website, bethmakes.art. You can follow me on Instagram. You can follow me on Twitter. I don't post on Twitter. You can also follow me on TikTok. I don't post on there anymore either. Maybe I'll start though. I've been kind of wanting to do lives on TikTok. I've never done it though. I have like 250,000 followers on TikTok and I've never gone live. It's very intimidating for me. Follow me on any of the socials you want to. Please like this video and subscribe for me. If you have any ideas for future projects, be sure to let me know. You can either email me or comment down below. I check comments. I read all of them because there aren't too many right now, but sometimes it takes me a little while because I don't check very often. I don't have notifications turned on, so I only check them when I remember to check them, but I do see them if you leave me a comment. So if you have a project request that you really want to see, let me know. I'll see it. I'll see it for sure. So, and if I like it, I'll do it. Later.